Good afternoon all. I am Aparna of first year BAFE. Today I am going to discuss about why flood and landslide have happened again in Kerala. 2018 was a year of flood and landslide have happened. And in 2019 also another flood had happened, a more tragic situation. Is it because of God's wrath or a man-made calamity? According to the report on Western Ghats Ecology Expert Panel, its chairman Sri Madhav Gadgil had said that ecology sensitive zones have been destroying and the Western Ghats have been deteriorating. According to the reports by scientists, the Western Ghats have been deteriorating and the flood have happened due to the mismanagement of dams and the overpollution by people. On August 16, 2018, this flood have happened. It raised in killing of many people, and many people left their homes in Malappuram district. In 2019 also, another tragic situation had happened. Many people became homeless and thousands of people left their homes. This all happened due to the mismanagement of dams and the over-mining and the uncontrolled pollution. So, let me conclude my words by saying that our nature is our Mother Earth. So, don't overpollute it. Stop mining and we have to give our nature for our future generations. Thank you.